And just because of some issues, we are saying he's not a legend because he was like golf Madrid and etc. whatever or
I think
anything.
you don't. I
I'm
think you
just
keep using
I'm
legend,
just
but you
saying
don't
yes, sir.
understand what that word means.
I know. So for
अच्छा
me, like let's stay for
सैम
20 years at the club, score some goals, be loyal,
मुझ
don't speak a word. He's a legend. He
Not
was
don't speak
scoring,
a
he was
word.
no
winning
We are
no
us.
no
not.
no
He
No,
was
no, no,
doing
no.
everything for us. Just
What everything? घर का काम भी कर जाता था लाइव.
Welcome to another edition of Bombay Talks. Today, we're going to be discussing Bale. Is he even a Real Madrid legend? Is he even a football legend? Is he even a football player? Joining me today is my sister from another mister, Litti Choka herself, Samakshi Jha. What's up, Samakshi?
Thanks, Bia.
Sat Samundar Par Apri Guju Ben, Mari Ben from Canada. Dara Vyas in the house. And now, since Gujaratis are ruling us, another Gujarati from Baikala Bantai, Sash Patel.
Joint Paskar.
And of course, we have Gopal Krishna. Hello, Gopal.
Hello.
From Bangladesh. From
from
Bangladesh,
Nepal.
apparently.
He's from Nepal.
मत बोल comment आएंगे बांग्लादेश के बारे में.
Acha, we love all people. So, hey, welcome everyone. I'll be mediating the debate today. So, apparently it's a debate. So, little bit context. We have kind of the old OG Madrid fans versus the little bit newer ones. Jitu Bhai here has been supporting the club since 1996. Dhara has been supporting from 1998. Meanwhile, Samakshi has been supporting it from 2009 and Saj is 2013, right? So we
Noobs.
have a little bit of gap here. And so the debate today is Bale a Madrid legend? And for people who must be thinking right now, why is this even a question? Let me give you a little bit context and jog your memory. 7 seasons with Madrid, 13 trophies, more than Cristiano Ronaldo. Also, he seemed to be the last piece of the La Decima puzzle, which he proved later on, because we had been going for La Decima for 12 years, and he scored in the winning goal in the final. He came for a record signing of $100 million, and he paid back his worth in the first season itself. I think we all agree upon this. Uh, 2 UCL winning goals, total 3 UCL final goals, and also scoring in the Copa del Rey against Marc Bartra. And lastly, he made the scary offensive trio with Benzema and the BBC. I think that is enough context to start this debate because he has achieved so much in 7 seasons that this needs to be at least debated or talked, that we can't disregard him. So we'll start. We have with us Pro, Bale, Samakshi, and Saj. And against Bale are Jitesh Shani and Dhara.
The
OG.
OGs.
Pranam,
OG,
Pranam,
OG
Pranam.
fans. OG. So, मेरा पहला question, my first question will go to the pro Bale camp, basically Samakshi and Saj. So, Samakshi will start.
Okay.
क्या बेल को was Bale portrayed by media worse than he was actually? Because उसके अगेंस्ट बहुत आए दिन आता था कि गोल्फ खेलने जा रहा है, सीरियसली नहीं ले रहा है, ट्रेनिंग है. तो मतलब was it very easy to take shots at him by the Spanish? What do you think?
मेरे ख्याल से हाँ, क्योंकि हर प्लेयर के कुछ ना कुछ चॉइसेस होते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर वो फुटबॉल प्लेयर है तो वो फुटबॉल ही खेले. उसको अलग अलग, जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि डेबला वो अपना फीफा खेलता है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम उसको ऐसे पोर्ट्रे कर दो कि वो फुटबॉल तो है ही नहीं उसके लिए, वो जो है वो फीफा खेल रहा है. अगर आप देखो ऐसे अलग अलग फील्ड पे कोई ना कोई कुछ और उनके अलग अलग फील्ड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होते हैं। तो बट मीडिया इसको इतने गलत तरीके से दिखाती है, जैसे कि टू बी ऑनेस्ट हमारा क्लब बहुत सही है, बहुत अच्छा है, बट प्लेयर्स को लेकर के थोड़ा सा वीक है। हमारे में वो चीज नहीं है जो बाकी क्लब्स में मिलती है प्लेयर्स को। तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है ये पार्ट की जो स्पेनिश जो बोलता है, बहुत कुछ बीच में जो भी हुआ था, तो आई गेस कि हाँ कुछ ज्यादा ही दिखा देते हैं, इतना नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, इतना होगा भी नहीं मेरे ख्याल से।
ताज, यू फील द सेम?
यस, मीडिया को कंट्रोवर्सी चाहिए तो वो क्रिएट करते हैं, बट फैंस मीडिया को मानते हैं, क्लब की नहीं सुनते हैं। सो आई एग्री विद समाक्षी।
मीडिया का काम ही है ये सब करना। इंडिया की हो या यूरोप की, कहीं की भी हो, मीडिया तो मीडिया है, तो वो तो भसड़ मचाएगी।
सारे मिलके हमको
पागल बना रहे हैं अब।
सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं।
So what does the anti-Bale camp has to say about this? Because उनका बोलना है कि they took shots at him because बहुत easy था उस पे shots लेना। धरा।
So that's not true that we took shots on him because it's an easy target. People aren't anti-Bale. I don't care for Bale as a person. Bale in Madrid is the issue, right? For me. So the problem is when you're a player, and if you want to be considered a legend, you have freedom of actions, but those actions have consequences. So freedom of action is not freedom of consequence. So when you go on TV and say, oh, it's Wales, golf, and Madrid, people who are paying your salary, people like us who buy t-shirts, who buy the jerseys, who buy memorabilia, tune into games, have passes, that hurts you differently, right? Like that makes you think, oh, you were bought for 80 million from us, not from a golf club. So when you want to be a legend and you don't, you say these things, even if you say it in joke, you're an outsider. You also have to think of these things, right? And you have to act your price tag. And I can tell you the time where most of us started, media fans went against him. When he had that great Champions League goal, nobody will deny that. He said, after that's such a good game, the first thing that came out of his mouth was, I deserve more playing time and I don't know if I'm staying. Right? We all just won. Why is this the first thing that came in your head?
बीटी क्यों दे रहा है गांडू?
अब मैं एक बोलना चाहूंगी।
बोलो।
Yes.
जैसे कि फर्स्ट इन्होंने मतलब पॉइंट आउट किया कि वो जो भी था वेल्स, गोल्फ एंड मैड्रिड वगैरह, वो बहुत बाद में था। इसके पहले बहुत कुछ हो चुका था मीडिया में, एंड उसको बू करना एंड ऑल। अगर ये सब होने के बाद ये हुआ था, विच इज नॉट करेक्ट। मैं खुद एक मैड्रिड फैन हूँ, नहीं करना चाहिए था, आई एडमिट। बट वो एक पता नहीं बोले थे कि जोक में हो गया, कोई आके पकड़ा दिया, फोटो खिंचा के इतना वायरल हो गया एंड ऑल। ये सब ठीक है, चलो मैं मानती हूँ, बट ये गलत था, ये भी मैं मानती हूँ। बट इसके पहले ये हुआ था कि जब वो ग्राउंड पे उतरे, लोग उसे बू कर रहे हैं, और ऐसे दूसरे इंटरव्यूज पे दूसरे प्लेयर्स उसको कुछ ना कुछ गलत कह रहे हैं। लाइक सबको एक छोटा छोटा निकनेम मिल रहा है, तो इसको गोल्फी समथिंग ऐसे कुछ, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना है। तो जब आप जैसे कि अगर मैं अपने घर में सही से इज्जत नहीं पाऊंगी, तो मैं बाहर पढ़ने चले जाऊंगी, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे रहने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है, यहाँ के लोग मेरे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो ये एक पॉइंट है, ठीक है। दूसरा पॉइंट ये कि अगर उसने मीडिया में आकर के बोला गोल मारने के बाद भी कि मैं शायद और टाइम डिजर्व करता हूँ, तो वो उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है। वो अगर फिर 40 से 50 मिनट्स खेल करके अगर एक गोल मार रहा है, तो वो ज्यादा टाइम दोगे तो वो और अपना बेटर दे पाएगा। अगर लेजेंड, आप उसको लेजेंड बुलाना चाहते हो, तो उसको गेम पे दिखना भी है। उसको अगर आप कम टाइम लिमिट दोगे, तो फिर वो लेजेंड कैसे कहला पाएगा? तो ये एक पॉइंट है कि वो अपना बताया कि मुझे और खेलना है, तो उसमें लोग इतना हेट्रेट क्यों?
Santiago Bernabeu is our home, right? And the fans are our family, right? मैं मेरे घर पे जाऊंगा, मेरे घर वाले मुझे बोलेंगे, बू करेंगे, तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आएगा? And
did you do something to deserve it?
No, nothing. Because we had a bad game. The fans started booing Casillas, Ramos, Cristiano. They were booing Bale also. Just Bale replied them. So what's wrong? No one will take that. I won't take that.
Okay, I'll answer this question, okay? The fans own the club. The socios own the club. It's a fan-owned club. The only way the fans show displeasure is by booing. Fans have booed everybody from Raul to Zidane to Roberto
Cristiano.
Carlos to Cristiano.
And a
You
guy
name them.
replied. And a guy
Sabko.
replied. That's it. A
Sabko
guy
boo
replied.
kiya.
सभी को
In his way.
Conversely, which doesn't get said as well, is that the same fans, when they see a great performance by an opposition player, whether it's Ronaldinho, whether it's Del Piero, whether it's Totti, we have applauded them. So the fans,
That's the
for
point.
whatever reasons,
They applaud
have
Barcelona's
this.
players, not us.
नहीं, but
And the
अच्छा
second thing
खेलेंगे
is-
तो applaud
No,
करेंगे
no,
ना।
he's saying
जितू भाई खुशी में तो हिजड़े भी नाचते हैं, गम में साथ दो सालो. That's the point. That's the point.
So-
That's the
so-
point.
so Bale should have done. So Bale should have done that to the fans, right? That he should have made more of an effort.
Yes.
Yeah. So yours
Did he?
it
Did
works.
he?
It works both ways. Yeah, the Hijras are both the fans and Bale.
कुछ भी
It works both ways. All of us are the same.
I only
None of
wanted
us
to
are
say
spectators, right? Like
many
they're
people
both ways.
took him wrong. Many people took him wrong.
Hey, consistently, if you say the same thing, if I hit you consistently and say no, I love you, no, but then I'm hitting you, ne? Like consistently, and my actions are
The
showing the
fans
same
were
thing.
hitting
When
him,
you
and he hit
consistently,
it once in
when you
reverse.
consistently keep not trying to be cohesive with your team, with your club, with your fans, with your actions, and I felt like literally that showed on the field. He was lazy after a while. He was injured and just lazy. And I think that because of him not putting an effort with this cohesiveness, it shows. And we
When
can,
he
even in the
was on
games
the
now,
bench-
Saj, right? Even
Okay.
without him, we can see when there's no cohesiveness in the team, it doesn't matter how great an individual player becomes.
On the note of cohesiveness, I have the next talking point that I wanted to add. Okay, imagine the scenario. Step out of your own persona and put yourself in Bale's. He is coming to a new country, adapting to a new league, new style of play, new lifestyle. Okay, where people are very egoistic about speaking Spanish and everything, and he is getting injured by no fault of his own, because football is a men's, like, not being sexist, but they call it a men's sport now.
Eden
I'm
Hazard
happy-
agree.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Our club has the Femenino team now too, right?
Yes.
But
Yes,
it's a
yes.
tough sport. Like people clash and
Representation, motherfucker.
yeah, injuries happen. So now injuries are happening. It's no fault of his own. But what happens when you get injured? You you are training individually. You are staying in gym. You're not doing the team sessions. So that itself distances you from the team and destroys the cohesiveness. So you step into his and think about it. Was it really his fault though, that he was getting injured and being away from the team while the team is all out and training among themselves? He is in the gym trying to recover again and again. I think that at least 50% to the extent that part also contributed to the cohesiveness breaking down, because he was not playing in and out like Cruz and Modric and Cristiano were playing together, right? So that rift happens, but it's not totally his fault. So what do you want to say about that?
See, let me ask you a question. Do you think that it was only injuries, or it was also that he got lazy? And be
So-
very frank about it, the pro
Yeah,
people, because I
yes.
feel like he was distracted. Yeah, he's strong, he's fast, and honestly, I think, and as Jitesh mentioned, we're very cynical, right? Like we've seen a lot of depressive errors, and then we've also seen the Galacticos errors, like proper seen it. So we get very, we lose spark when somebody doesn't come and do this. Even with Cristiano, I have to say, it was gradual love. But that's what I'm saying. Bale didn't do that for us. Cristiano got booed too. And I have to say, you guys think Bale got it bad? Benzema gets it a lot worse, day in, day out. He is
I
called
admit.
chutia from everybody. So that's the thing with Benzema, right? Like but he goes in, does his work, comes out, right? Like I understand. Even, man, there were so many players, even when Beckham first joined, everybody's like, we don't want a pretty boy. Remember Robin? And I thought Robin was a great player. He was also always injured. But when he played, the cohesiveness was still there. And I'm sorry, I know these are old players, but again, as I said, I revert back to the era that I thought was the greatest.
Right.
Okay.
So these players, they come and play, right? So to me, I think Bale was, I agree, he's a very distracted player. And for 80 million, again, you cannot afford to be distracted. You have to make the bare minimum effort. If you don't win with your game, win with the fans, because that will boost everybody.
Is Ronaldo, the Brazilian one, a legend for you both?
Of course.
Of course.
I
Why?
like his haircut though.
Saj,
Why? I'm
I
asking
really
why.
think you have to be very careful when you speak of the
No,
Ronaldo.
I'm just asking. I'm just confirming. Is he a
No, I
legend?
know, but I want your little Gen Z ass to know that will not be taken lying
Asking,
down by us.
Then I'll ask a question. That's why I'm asking.
Okay,
Is he
the
a
short
legend?
answer. The short answer is he's played at the best clubs in the world. He had 2 extremely bad injuries on his knees. He came back to win the
I don't
World
care
Cup.
about that. So he was
He came
lazy. I
back-
can say also the same
No.
thing.
He came back to win the World Cup, and he came back to win a league with Real Madrid. And he was the top scorer in Spain that year. So
Okay.
Ronaldo Fenomeno is a legend, and you cannot
Legend.
compare him to Bale
And he
because
is-
Ronaldo
Also-
Fenomeno.
He is a legend for
Yeah.
me. He is a legend for me.
तो
But
फिर चूतिया
Bale
सवाल
He's
क्यों
has
पूछ
Bale,
रहे हो?
more goals.
so
But
tera-
Bale has more goals than him.
ताज तू गलत बात
What
क्यों
makes
कर
him
रहा है?
That's the
lazy?
thing.
No,
Oh
I'm
my
not-
God,
I'm not
Saj,
doing-
you're not
I'm not doing-
understanding.
Just a minute.
Scoring
Just a minute.
doesn't mean legend.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah,
I'm
I know
just
what you're
saying
saying.
your stat. I'm not saying that he's a bigger player than him. No,
Half
he
this
can't
team,
be. I'm just
half this
asking.
team has more goals than Zidane. Do you think these guys are bigger legends?
I can't
than
compare Zidane. I can't compare Zidane because Zidane was on another position. I'm just asking. I'm just making sure that he was a legend because of his goals and everything. He didn't have any trophy much. I think so. He had
I don't
4
think
trophies.
you can. That's
4
a
or 5
fair
trophies.
comparison with just goals.
4 or 5 trophies
Because
he had. Right?
Who he?
Ronaldo, the
Who
Brazilian
he?
one. Ronaldo. With
Arey,
us.
but he had a World Cup. He won a World Cup, bro. World
World
जीता
Cup?
वो तो.
He won for
All
Brazil.
right, now
not for
you
Spain.
know what you're comparing it to? The Messi versus Ronaldo thing.
I'm not going there.
They're
I'm
both
just
great.
asking you.
Yeah,
I'm
but
just showing
that's
your
how
stat.
you
I'm just
cannot
showing your
compare
stat.
them like that.
He have done a lot of things for Real Madrid. And just because of some issues, we are saying he's not a legend because he was like golf, Madrid, and etc. whatever or
I
anything.
think you don't.
I'm
I think
just
you keep
saying-
using
I'm
legend,
just
but you
saying
don't
your stat.
understand what that word means.
I know. So for
Acha.
me, like let's stay for
Sam.
20 years at the club, score some goals, be loyal,
मुझ-
don't speak a word. He's a legend.
Not
He was
don't
scoring,
speak
he
a
was
word.
winning
No,
They
no,
are-
us.
no, no.
He
No,
was
no, no,
doing
no.
everything for us. Just
What everything? घर का काम भी कर जाता था like,
Right.
का मैंने इंटरव्यू देखा है, उसने स्पेनिश में दिया है इंटरव्यू. वो उतना फ्लुएंट बोल नहीं पाता पर वो समझता है. समझते हो? मैंने
समझता
देखा
तो
है
है.
उसको.
yeah. No,
समझता
but
तो है.
he's mostly shut it down. That's the problem. Arey, yaar,
Yeah.
even if he knew Spanish and then decided not to say it, that's still a slap in the face. I'm not, and also, I don't think my issue isn't with Bale as a footballer in the Spurs. And I honestly think with the English, he's a legend. Sure. My issue is saying he's a Real Madrid legend. I'll give you an example, and hopefully this is not, again, too old. But do you guys remember Kaká in Madrid?
Yes.
Do you think he is a legend? Because I feel like Kaká is similar to Bale to me.
No.
Sam.
No, he's
He
not.
got bought in for
For me,
68
No,
million.
no, he's not.
Yeah, he
Wow.
came in for 68 million. He also got injured quite a bit. He also had some great goals. But other than that,
Find me one Madrid supporter who has seen Kaká, who hates Kaká as much as people hate Bale
that's
now.
the thing.
He had
That
minimal
was my
impact with
point.
Kaká.
That was my
Koi nahi.
point. You don't hate him because of he understood how the club works very early on, and he understood, he had respect for fans, he had respect for his teammates, he had respect for everything, despite the fact that he was injured. He understood his price tag,
didn't-
and he was
he-
overpriced.
He
And he
didn't hold a flag with saying, Brazil,
He didn't hold a
Jesus,
grudge.
and Madrid. You know what I
that
mean?
didn't
was
hold a
not
grudge.
made by Gareth Bale.
No,
That's
no.
the main
Wait,
issue.
wait.
Gareth Bale खुद नहीं लाया था वो
आराम
कि
से, आराम
जेब
से,
से
आराम
निकाला and
Calma,
this
calma.
flag.
एक second.
That was
क्यों
not
किया?
told
एक
by
second.
Bale. अच्छा जीतू भाई,
बोल,
एक
अब बोल
question.
बोल बोल.
It was just a fun, मजाक चला था. Bale's मैच जीता था, celebration हो रहा था, and कोई लाके खड़ा कर दिया, and उन लोगों का फोटो शायद हो रहा था, and Bale हंसा, but Bale ने उसको कुछ लेके पकड़ के घुमा नहीं है. बेल ने
नहीं
शो ऑफ
बट
थोड़ी किया
एक
ना,
चीज
बेल ने
है
उसे
देख
पोस्ट किया
साज,
कहीं पे।
नहीं देखो एक साज चीज में एक साज एक चीज है कि ये मेरे को पता है कि ये कोई भी ऐसे लाकर के पकड़ा दिया फोटो खिंचा दिया, दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग, बट उसने ऐसे मतलब काउंटर
ये
में कुछ
ये
किया भी नहीं
ये
ना,
बीजेपी का आर्गुमेंट होता है यूजुअली।
वो उसने कुछ काउंटर के लिए कुछ किया भी नहीं।
वो तो बेसिकली जीतू भाई की नजर में दोनों राइट विंग चूती है।
एब्सोल्युटली।
देखो बात ये है ना, बात ये है कि इंसान
हम्म।
मतलब फुटबॉलर्स ना देखो सब अच्छे हैं, बस इंसान की जो होती है ना मेंटालिटी, इसी पे अच्छा बुरा
आई
होता है।
फेल्ट बैड,
साज
यस आई
साज बोल
फेल्ट
रही
बैड।
यार, तू चुप कर। बेल का दिक्कत ये था कि उसने जो हरकतें की, मतलब जो उसने बोल दिया और ये जो भी फ्लैग हुआ, उसके लिए इतना उसको हेटरेट मिला, बाकी गेम प्ले तो उसका लेजेंड था, ये बात मान लो भाई।
Okay,
विद
well,
द
I'll
नंबर्स
give
ही
you
वाज
that.
legend।
We have
I
been
will agree with Sam that you have convinced me that he did have enough to make him a good footballer. I still
Yes.
will not say he is a legend for Madrid. To me, that first of all, that holds a very big responsibility, and that I wouldn't give it to just anybody on the team, because in that case, any Tom, Dick, and Harry who's joined Madrid is going to start becoming legend. That's not how it is.
बेल के कारण बेल
have to
ने
be
कई सारे
overall.
फाइनल्स जिताए हैं, तो
Yeah, but
I admit, but
I don't think he also, you have to also think that sometimes he also had a team that gave him such good finals, right? And that was my point. He is not cohesive with the team that's also helping him out. And to be a legend, people have to respect you.
You have to lead the team, like how
Yeah,
Ronaldo led the team.
he
Ronaldo
cannot
came
be
in,
a leader.
Let me tell you, Ronaldo, when he came into the team, and this is absolutely true, and people can comment and let us know if I'm wrong, but a lot of the old fans took a while to warm up to him because he was a diva. He used to dive at United. He used to, he had that fight with Rooney, so he was looked at, as an egoistic person. But
He
the
had
first season,
a very metro look that people weren't used to.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
They're like, he did his hairstyle, his superstitions, and all.
I mean,
what he
Madrid
had.
fans look like me, so we are very jealous of his six pack. You know what I mean? Like, tu kaun hai be bhai? Tu kya six pack bana raha hai? Saale. So,
तू तो अभी भी चावल दबा के आया है।
but first season he came in, he scored 40 goals, and he and Higuain had a great partnership, and then he just kept scoring goals, and that's how he won the team over. And he became a leader.
And not just us, he won the players over. Like his
the team,
He won
In
the
the
dressing room
absence of
over.
Cristiano, Bale was winning game for us.
I understand Madrid is an institution, fan owned and everything, but at the end of the day, it's a football club. Your football stats and how you've contributed to goals and the assists. Bale was insane in goals and assists, at least the first 3 seasons.
Okay.
How does it not matter to his being legend?
We're not forgetting anything. We remember it, okay? His first season was insane, amazing. Copa del Rey, beautiful goal against Batra. And of course, that header at La Decima. Beautiful. First season, amazing, brilliant, beautiful. Chumma. Second season was a horrible season. Yeah.
How?
So, second season,
It was
we
not a
didn't win
horrible
any
season.
trophy.
We were just
Second season, we didn't win any trophy.
Yeah.
Okay.
We went
Third season.
It was not his fault, though, right?
No, but I'm not saying it's his fault.
Yeah. It's just saying it's
अच्छा
bad
आप
season.
मैड्रिड की बात कर रहे हो तो
हाँ,
मैड्रिड की बात करो, मैड्रिड की बात कर रहे हैं।
So third season, he scored a penalty in I think the third penalty or the fourth penalty.
Third penalty. Third.
You go back and look, he was gone. Like he was like harbada like that. Like he could not move because he was so dead. He was gone. So yes, we're not forgetting any of his contributions. But the fact is that, okay, so he's come in and he's performed and he said ki bhai, main star hu, main ye hu, main wo. ठीक है, बन गया ना। 2018 में जब रोनाल्डो गया है and Zidane has left, and we have Rafa Benitez who has said Bale is the center of everything. He's the center of my universe. He's my whatever. Then you perform, no? Why? When you have a problem with Zidane, you have a problem with the fact that Cristiano is sort of overshadowing your legacy, overshadowing you on the pitch, then once they leave, step
Never had
up.
any problem with Cristiano.
No, I'm saying
Okay.
step up.
Yeah.
That is my point.
So-
You've not
so let me
forgotten
tell-
anything.
Yeah, and also let me explain this. I'm not saying he's not a good footballer. Okay, my issue is when people start throwing the word legend around for him in Real Madrid. Okay, I'm going to say something that everyone's going to hate. I think the only good thing he has going for him is speed, and he has a wicked left foot. But he's not that great defensively. I really don't think so. Unless I'm missing a game, you guys can correct me.
He was a
But-
left back.
Yeah, but I've seen Benzema, I've seen Cristiano hustle back, man. I've seen forwards hustle back when it's important. But that's the thing. That's what I'm saying. When you're a legend, you terrorize the other side of the team. He does not bring that terror I don't think he does with that emphaticness. He
was
scores,
good
yeah.
at free kicks.
No,
But wait, let me
I will
finish.
never let
Let
him
me
to take
finish.
any.
Let me finish, and then you can counter all the points. His dribbling, okay, it's so. His
No,
right
he's a
foot
great
isn't
dribbler.
great.
Lara. You have to admit, he's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, he's
Well,
pre-injury.
I don't think he can cross with
Clara.
his right foot. I don't think he can cross with his right foot.
Yeah, but that's not dribbling.
Okay. That's true
That's
too. But I don't think it's.
Didi.
I don't think his dribbling skills are the greatest.
that I
If you
want to
compare
clarify.
his dribbling to someone like Ronaldo, I wouldn't give him. I even wouldn't think his dribbling is as great as some of the other, other strikers.
गोपाल को कुछ कहना है
But wait, you can continue. Hold on. And then let's say his finishing. Yeah, that I'll give him. I think he has really great finishing. However, I
Thank you.
still think
For saying that.
if you look at his 3 seasons plus more and then go for it, I don't know what happened with him, but it progressively gets worse.
He found golf.
It doesn't even, I don't care what he found. I just feel like instead of being with the team, instead of getting progressively better, he got progressively less. And I honestly think the only great thing about him that I can literally say is that he has a wicked left foot.
At this point, I clearly feel that Dhara, your memory of Bale is betraying you because
Yes.
everything you have said, when he came to Madrid.
But are you only looking at his first 3 seasons?
Let me yeah.
Okay.
We will come to, because we are going chronologically, right? So
Yeah.
we are at the point where the rift started to happen now. So
Okay.
yeah, so when he came in as a right winger, he was basically an inverted Ronaldo. He could do everything that Ronaldo could, but on the right side, exactly everything. Dribbling was great, finishing was great, free kicks were great, right? He was nothing short of Ronaldo. My point is, why this like दोगलापना क्यों? बेल को क्रेडिट देने के बात आती है तो यू आर गोइंग
Right.
टू कि पूरा मैड्रिड इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट
Right.
जब
हाँ.
ब्लेम असाइन करने का बात आता है तो बस बेल पे ब्लेम जा रहा है. Why is
So
this?
whoa.
Just a bit, a soft target.
we did say that we've criticized everybody, right? The issue is the way people answer to the criticism is what makes them a legend, in my opinion. What have we not said that we did not like Cristiano? Have we not said we didn't like Benzema? Even Higuain got so much flack, man. Like, we have hated players consistently, and I agree. It is a very pessimistic view for people who are on old guard.
Let me just jog your memory, okay? Higuain came in with Gago, Marcelo, and Higuain in the winter of 2006, 2007. And his goals are very important in winning us a league trophy after 3 years. So Madrid fans were starved of a trophy. We were getting whooped. And Gonzalo Higuain came and scored 2 or 3 brilliant goals. And the next season again he won the league because of Gonzalo Higuain. Yet Madrid fans within a year or two turned him and said, "Chal nikal, chal nikal, pehli fursat mein."
निकल लौड़े पहली फुर्सत में निकल.
How did he answer? He didn't answer, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm not, again, my whole point to criticize him is because I don't think he is a Madrid legend. I'm not saying this guy is not a good player. Again, he's definitely overpriced when we bought him. He had, which then as soon as somebody's overpriced, we have legendary expectations of them.
But as I said, his first season itself paid every penny that he was bought for.
Everything. He
Well,
waited 12
How
years.
can you discount that fact? He's
Can you?
हर penny का worth था
How?
वो.
for 12 years we have
because
been
we've
It
bought
was
cheaper
worth
players
every
who've
single
also proved
penny.
the same thing,
no, but
if not more.
And how
I'll
much
tell
will they take
for
to prove
12 years
themselves?
for 12 years we have been going after the La Decima. He scored the winning goal for not only La Decima, for the Copa del Rey, against
Copa del
Barca,
Rey.
against Atletico Madrid, two of the biggest Madrid rivals. How is he not an icon of Madrid just for the first season performance?